everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, you may notice two things. One, this is a plant I got in my last unboxing video. Yes, I have decided to do a video repotting it because why not? And two, I'm in the same clothes. And I didn't even talk about this shirt in my last video. I got some Garden Answer merch. I love Laura from Garden Answer. She's like, whenever I'm in the mood to go outside and like do some gardening and think of what I want to do with like outside plants, she's my go-to girl. I love black. I bought the shirt. It'll be in the link in the description below if you want to get Garden Answer merch. Okay, so anyway, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to repot my philodendron Micans and a few other plants I have back here as well. So I figured we'd start with this, and while we're repotting together, same coffee from the last video. No, it's not a couple days old. I thought that maybe I can answer some of your questions that I never got around to in my last Q&A video. Let's go. Okay, let me pull up my phone here. Doody. First question that I never got around to is, will you be doing an update video for some of your older videos on your channel? Yeah, I actually will. I was putting a list of videos together that I wanted to do, and that is definitely one of them. I got my soil down here. It's just a mixture of cactus soil because I love cactus soil because it provides well-draining medium for my plants because I overwater them. A little bit of perlite mixed in, and that's about it. It's fine for philodendrons. So I'm gonna go get some. I'll be right back. You know, this would be way easier if I just brought it on up here. Hello there, bucket. Okay. Okay. I'm trying not to make a mess on my desk. This is not a potting station, but it's pretty humid outside today, so I didn't want to go out there. Back to the question. So I actually have an update video coming on my donkey's tail that's sitting right next to me. Burro's tail, donkey's tail, sedum something, because I can't pronounce it. I have that coming up. And that was actually one of the first videos I did. So I'm excited to do this because I actually brought this outside for the summer. And I'm really excited to talk about it and how it did over the summer. All right. We are going to, this is pretty wet still from my unboxing, but we're just gonna plop this in here. I'm gonna use a little bit of the soil that it came in. How cute is that, you guys? I love this planter. I got this planter in East Nashville when my husband and I took a road trip down there earlier this year, and it's concrete, and it's just so rustic and just so like imperfect, and I love it. All right, let's fill this in here. Yeah, so I actually have plans for doing a couple of update videos. I will be doing a fall houseplant tour very soon, in which you guys can see all of my fall decorations and how I decorated for fall, and possibly Halloween, because we're going to be getting around to that shortly. And then I also want to do an update on my Monstera deliciosa. That was one of my first videos I did as well. Well, it was in one of my tours, and then I made a sphagnum moss pole for it. So I want to do a little update on that, as I have since propagated it, brought it outside, gave some clippings away. I've done a lot with that thing so far. So All right, I am just trying to cover up all the roots here because it started to trail. I want to keep it trailing, but it has some like aerial roots here. Not aerial roots, roots that formed from like grabbing in the soil along the side, and I want those in there. Okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna do my old top it off with some white sandbox sand to avoid fungus gnats, because ain't nobody got time for fungus gnats. And clean it up a little bit. Purty. Super purty. Okay. That can go there for now. Put my little nameplate in there since your girl can't remember the names of her plants. How cute is that? What y'all think? I don't know where I'm putting it. Check back with me on that in my houseplant tour. All right, you go there. All right, now I'm a mess. Doesn't it figure? I need a napkin. Hold on. Oh, also, I'm going to be doing a update video on my string of hearts. I got a string of hearts, I think in the spring. The plant chica, Sandra, she sent me I think it was a 6-inch string of hearts, possibly a 4-inch. That thing has grown like crazy. So I plan on doing an update video on that as well, and doing just like a little overhaul on string of hearts and like care guide and how to propagate. And I got a fun little thing in the mail that I'm gonna put together with you guys. I think that might be my next video. Either that or the donkey's tail, we'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. Okay, now I'm going to do this Scindapsus that I got from, I think it's a Scindapsus. You guys, I am so bad with names. Like, it's really bad. Like, I should take a class on plants and like memorize the names of plants, because new subscribers probably come to my channel and they're like, this chick, like, she doesn't know anything. But I had one of these before. It almost looks like a satin pothos though. I mean, I should look this stuff up before I do videos, but. So, either way, the soil is perfect. Where did my planters go? Wait, yeah. No, I lied. I'm gonna use one of these. I should really like look this stuff up before I do it. That should be fine in there. Cute. I might just keep this in my office, or maybe I'll put it in my bedroom. We shall see. Let's get to another question, shall we? Let's see. My thing always dies on me. What is your current favorite plant and why? I feel like I get this question a lot, which is probably why I didn't talk about it before. My favorite plant at the moment, honestly, would probably have to be any Hoya I have. I have had such good luck with my Hoya girls. They are just growing and growing. I have not killed a Hoya yet. I'm starting to think they're pretty indestructible. And they're just great. Like, they've been putting on new growth. I didn't bring any of them outside for the summer just because I was worried about it. They've all been inside. Most of them are in this room right now. We get pretty good light in here, but they're just so easy. I water them maybe like once every week and a half or so. I mean, I check them with my meter, but I'd say it's about that. And like every time I look at them, they have like new stems growing, new growth. I have one back here. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's my Pubicalyx. I never know how to say that Hoya's name. But it's vining and it's like wrapping itself around my bracelets that are hanging on the wall over here. Do you see this? This going up? Yeah, that's what that is. I'll be right back. Just down here getting some soil. I mean, how easy was that? Cute, right? And then I could just trail along. Get my camera. You can do it. Wants to focus on my face. All right, so I'm gonna give this a good water. Since it's top heavy, I might pin it down with a bobby pin, which is a good trick if you want to keep your roots down in the plant and it's kind of top heavy until the roots establish in the soil. Just sticking a bobby pin right in just to hold it in place. Works like a charm. Let's see if I have any on my desk. You know how you always just take a bobby pin out of your hair and just throw it wherever you're at? I can usually find them all over the house. But I won't be able to now, you know, because I need one. Because that's always the way. Yeah, no. Anyway, we'll leave this right here for right now. And I'll go do that in a little bit. Okay. That was a dry mess, so just shake it off. All right, next up is this, okay, I need to look up the name of this. Hold on. Oh, and that is a satin pothos. Purple Passion, you guys. Remember this from my unboxing a couple days ago? Is it showing? Oh, there it is. See it? Okay. Sorry, this camera never wants to focus. This is from IKEA. I haven't used it in a while, but it has like a built-in tray and drainage holes are in there. So what I do is, so it doesn't sit in water, I'll just fill it up and then I'll just tip it so that the water spills out of the tray. It's a cool design. I think it's aesthetically pleasing, but I don't know how practical it is because you don't want your roots sitting in water. So I'm gonna put this little guy right in there. This pot might be too big for it, but it does have a substantial amount of roots. Look at that, like, bow chicka bow wow. You go there. You come here. This isn't very practical. My soil's really dry. So, and the perlite like kicks up a dust. It always gets to my face. So yeah, back to the questions. Definitely Hoyas right now are my favorite. And that might change, you know, like once I kill a Hoya or something. If you want more information on Hoyas, a really great channel to go to, which I'm sure everybody knows who she is good old Betsy Begonia. Hey girl, love your channel. She got me into Hoyas. I think she got the entire plant community into Hoyas. Oh my God, this is so pretty. All right, so we're just gonna drop these roots right on in the center there. And then we're gonna backfill it. Give it a good water. Top it with some sand. Okay. How cute is that? Stop focusing on my face. Cute, guys. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I love it. Okay, you go there. I'm gonna use these two little planters here. Aren't these cute, guys? I got these from a New Leaf in Chicago. And to be honest, TBH, I don't know if they're still in business because the last time I went there, it almost looked like they were closing up shop. But they have a venue next door to them. We're wedding photographers, if you didn't know already. And we've shot a couple weddings there, which is how we found the place. So one side of it is this incredible, gorgeous plant shop. When I say incredible, I mean like I've never seen anything like it. And the other side is a venue. I'm looking at my dog. Jazzy, what are you doing? Are you itchy? Can you stop because you're making noise? Can you lay down? Okay, so this is where I got these planters from. They were $1 a piece and they're just like already patinaed, super rustic. I like that look. Fill them up. I have what I believe to be is a jade, a little piece of a jade here, which should be perfect for this pot. And then I have two already rooted. Maybe they're Kalanchoes. I'm not sure, but that's what they look like. I could be wrong. But they are very succulent-y, so this should be a good soil for them. We'll just pop them all in here. We're not answering very many questions. Didn't have a lot. It's not like a real Q&A. It's just like something to give me something to talk about while I repot. Aw, they look like little ears. Cute, right? Yay, I'm excited. All right, and then pop her in there. This one has very shallow roots, which is always harder to work with when you're potting. Oh, but I mean, like, how adorbs is that? I'm a quick potter, guys. Quick potter upper, you know? You just gotta get in there and get her done, you know? If you guys stuck around for that boring video, thanks. I appreciate you guys. Oh, look at her. Okay, Miss Micans. Look at my little plants here. Wait, where's my other girl? Oh, you're cute. You're cute. There we go. We got them all. The gang's all here, y'all. That's it. Thanks for joining me in this little repotting video. I didn't answer a lot of questions. Maybe I'll do another Q&A. Excuse me, I'm still sick for like the third month in a row. If you guys have any questions for me, just leave them in the comment section below. Maybe we can get like a new Q&A going here. I don't have many plants to repot though. I'm pretty much done with that. So it would be like me sitting in front of a camera, drinking my coffee, and answering questions. You guys cool with that? I mean, if you are, I'm down. All right, that's it. Thanks so much, guys. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of videos like such. Check out my past videos. I'm excited for this month. I have quite a bit of new videos coming up, including a fall houseplant tour in which you can see all of my fall and Halloween decorations. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you know the names of some of these plants, call me out on it in the comment section below like you always do. And why is my camera saying capture? I'm not a videographer. I don't know what that means. I mean, I know what capture means. I mean, thanks guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.